Okay, so today we have a Whirlpool dishwasher. The issue was that the display wasn't working properly. Display wasn't actually working at all. I was pressing any buttons. The dishwasher wasn't turning on. It was about a month ago when we took the dishwasher apart to check the power to the display board. It was a proper power, like about 12 and 5 volt, and the panel was working but just partially, so it was making some type of noises, but the display was completely black and wasn't starting or anything. So we explained to the client the part was a back order. We had to wait for it, so we explained to the client that we first thing will have to install the control board, or sorry, the control panel, because it gets the power but nothing happens. But we definitely told him too that it's still a chance that potentially a new control board will be needed, likely after installation of the control panel. This is little display board. Everything was tested and it seems to be like it's working again. Here's the time, and we can even cancel the cycle, and it does the work. So right now I'm just gonna put everything back together, test that just for underneath the dishwasher to make sure that everything looks good, because we weren't able to test it before. Yeah, call the client, show them the work, and it looks like it's all good to go.